Masakit ba yung breast mo? Bloated ka? Pagod ka? At para bang madalas naiiba yung mood mo? PMS lang ba yon or buntis ka na? Ang problema kasi, maraming PMS symptoms na similar sa early pregnancy symptoms. Magkakapareho talaga. So, paano mo sila madidistinguish? So, dito sa vlog na to, pag-uusapan natin yung PMS versus early pregnancy symptoms. Para hindi kayo nalilito at para madistinguish nyo sila bawat isa. Ano yung symptoms na pwedeng pareho sa PMS at ano naman yung mga clues na pwedeng makatulong sa'yo? Pero ito, important reminder lang. Symptoms alone cannot confirm pregnancy. Pregnancy test pa rin ang mas reliable way para malaman na buntis ka. O sige, start na tayo doon sa mga symptoms. Number 1, masakit or napansin mo na sensitive yung breast mo. Matamaan lang masakit na. PMS and early pregnancy can cause breast tenderness. Kaya kung breast mo ay suddenly sensitive, hindi natin masasabi based on symptom alone kung PMS or early pregnancy siya. One possible clue is that in early pregnancy, habang nagpo-progress yung pregnancy mo, mas nagiging sensitive, mas sumasakit, mas lumalaki ang iyong breast. But on PMS, usually sumasakit lang siya bago ka magkaroon, pero once na nagkaroon ka na, wala na yung sakit. Diba? Ganun natin siya madidifferentiate. In short, breast tenderness can happen in PMS and early pregnancy. Number 2, pagod at antok. Feeling tired is common in PMS. Pero fatigue is also common in early pregnancy. So again, hindi sapat ang pagiging antukin, ang pagiging pagod para masabi mong buntis ka. Ang importante is titingnan mo pa rin kung mayroong ibang symptoms na kasama or kung delayed na ang period mo. Fatigue is common PMS symptoms kasi. And it is also common in early pregnancy, particularly during the first trimester. Diba yan yung nalaman mong buntis ka on the first trimester? Yan yung parang pagod na pagod ka, lagi kang inaantok. Kahit wala ka namang ginagawa at kahit kompleto ang tulog mo. Diba? Naranasan nyo yan? Number 3, bloating and cramps. Feeling bloated or sumasakit yung puson, abdominal cramps, can happen before your period. Diba? Nangyayari yan. But mild cramping can also happen in early pregnancy. Kasi lumalaki yung matres. Kaya nagkukos ito ng cramping or abdominal cramps. Kaya itong symptoms na to is hindi rin siya reliable para ma-differentiate by itself. Both siya nararamdaman, PMS and early pregnancy. PMS commonly includes bloating and cramps before period, while abdominal discomfort will also occur in the early pregnancy. Number 4, pagiging emotional or irritable or yung tinatawag natin na mood changes. Bilang sensitive, madaling mairita or madaling maiyak. This can happen with PMS. Diba? Ganun talaga tayo, moody tayo bago tayo magkaroon ng mens. But emotional changes can also happen during pregnancy. So kung naiiyak ka sa isang random video or reels, hindi pa rin natin masasabi na buntis ka. Mood changes are common in PMS symptoms, while hormonal changes can contribute to the mood changes during pregnancy. Number 5, cravings or changes in food appetite. This can happen with PMS. Pero during pregnancy, some women also notice new cravings, food aversion, or changes in taste and smell. Gusto mo, hindi mo na gusto. Tapos yung hindi mo gusto dati, gusto mo na. May changes in taste and smell. So kung bigla kang nag-crave ng mangga at bagoong, hindi pa rin natin masasabi na pregnant ka. Pregnancy can involve new cravings, food aversion, and changes in taste and smell. Appetite changes can also occur in PMS. Usually nangyayari talaga yan. Minsan, bago ka magkaroon, may cravings ka or meron kang gustong kainin. Number 6, headache. Headache can happen around your period. Bago ka magkaroon or during your menstruation, masakit ulo mo, di ba? And they can also happen or occur during pregnancy. Mararamdaman mo din yan bago sa mga early pregnancy mo na ang sakit ng ulo mo. So ito na, sasabihin ko na sa inyo yung biggest clue para malaman nyo, ma-distinguish mo yung PMS and early pregnancy symptoms. And here's the important one. Kung regular yung cycle mo, at hindi dumating sa expected date kung kailan ka magkakamens, that can be important clue that you are pregnant. Or magsuspect ka na kapag na-delayed ka, 1 week delayed, magsuspect ka na naku baka buntis ako. Kasi a missed period is one of the earliest symptoms and most reliable signs of pregnancy. Diba yun ngayon lagi nilang sinasabi, once delayed ka, pwede ka nang mag-PT. Diba? Once delayed ang menstruation mo, mag-PT ka na. Kasi yun yung pinaka-reliable symptoms nga, na buntis ka. and parang i-confirm na lang natin yan sa pregnancy test. Lalo na kung regular cycle ka tapos na-miss yung period mo. Magtataka ka talaga. Pero still remember this, kapag delayed ang period mo, possible na marami ding cause kaya ka na-delay. Di natin yan maisasantabi na kapag na-stress ka, napuyat ka, changes in weight, hormonal changes, may PCOS ka, may illness ka, may tinitake kang gamot, pwedeng ma-delay ang menstruation mo. Pero kumbaga, pwede ka magkaroon ng hint na, baka buntis ako, lalo na kung active ka sa sex. A missed period is one of the reliable and earliest signs of pregnancy in a regular menstrual cycle. Para may basis kayo. So, PMS or pregnancy? So, kung titignan mo yung symptoms mo ngayon and you're asking, PMS ba to o buntis na ako? Unfortunately, symptoms alone is hindi ka bibigyan yan ng exact answer. Kailangan sama-sama sila, grupo sila para masabi mo talaga na buntis ka. If your period is late and pregnancy is possible, kasi nga active ka, take pregnancy test according to the instruction test. If the result is negative sa pregnancy test mo, pero may hint ka na baka buntis ka, you may need to repeat the test after a week. Baka kasi too early pa. Kasi testing too early is nagkakaroon ng result na less reliable. Pero kapag positive naman yung home pregnancy test mo, very reliable siya when you use it correctly according to the instruction. So here are my quick safety reminder. If you think you may be pregnant and you develop severe abdominal pain, pelvic pain, or merong masakit sa'yo sa balakang mo, nagkaroon ka ng heavy bleeding, dizziness, fainting, or pagkahilo, huwag ka nang maghintay ng another week to test another pregnancy test. Consult your doctor. Kasi yung severe and persistent abdominal pain or kaya bleeding, tapos nagsosuspect ka na baka buntis ka, kailangan kasi yun ng medical assessment. Kasi hindi natin masasabi, baka nabuntis ka, tapos nalaglag. Basta we don't know, kaya kapag naramdaman mo yung mga yon, mag-seek ka kaagad ng advice. So remember, mommies, tender breast or sore breast, yung masakit yung breast mo, both yan nararamdaman sa PMS and early pregnancy symptoms. Pagod, both din. Bloating, both din. Mood swing, yes, parehas din yan nararamdaman. That's why symptoms alone can be confusing. Hindi mo talaga masasabi na, kapag sumakit yung breast mo, kapag inantok ka, buntis ka na. Hindi mo masasabi na isang symptoms lang, buntis ka na. If your period is late and pregnancy is possible, ang next mong gagawin doon is mag-pregnancy test ka. If you are currently waiting for your period, comment mo PMS. Or kung nagko-conceive ka man ngayon and waiting ka na lang ma-delay, comment mo pregnancy. So yun lang mga mommies, thank you again for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Palambing naman ang comment and share. So yun lang po, thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!